The giraffe is an iconic and fascinating creature known for its distinctive long neck and towering height, making it the tallest land animal on Earth. This magnificent mammal belongs to the family Giraffidae and is native to various countries in Africa, where it roams across savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the various aspects of giraffes, covering their physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, diet, reproduction, conservation status, and the cultural significance they hold. Giraffes are easily recognized by their unique appearance, with their most distinguishing feature being their long necks. In fact, the giraffe's neck can reach lengths of up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, or more. This elongated neck is supported by only 7 vertebrae, the same number found in most mammals, including humans. The length of the neck allows giraffes to reach high branches in trees, providing them with access to a wide range of foliage that is unavailable to other herbivores. Apart from their long necks, giraffes have other distinctive physical features. They have a spotted coat with irregular, jagged-edged patches that can be tan, orange, or brown in color, separated by white spaces. This unique coat pattern serves as a form of camouflage in their natural habitats, helping them blend into the dappled sunlight and shadows of the savanna. Giraffes have ossicones on their heads, which are bony protuberances covered in skin and hair. Both male and female giraffes have ossicones, but males typically have thicker and more prominent ones. The males also tend to be larger than females and may have more pronounced knobs on their skulls. Their legs are long and powerful, allowing giraffes to run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, also 56 kilometers per hour when needed. Their large, sturdy hooves support their massive bodies, and they have a unique walking pattern in which they move both legs on one side of the body at the same time. Giraffes are generally social animals, forming loose groups known as towers. These towers typically consist of females and their offspring, led by a dominant male. However, giraffe social structures can be fluid, and individuals may change groups or associate with different giraffes over time. The long neck of the giraffe is not only an adaptation for reaching high branches, but also plays a role in their social interactions. Male giraffes use their necks to engage in a behavior called necking, which involves swinging their heads and necks at each other. This behavior serves various purposes, including establishing dominance, determining mating rights, and maintaining social order within the group. Giraffes are known for their calm and gentle demeanor, but they can defend themselves if threatened. Their powerful kicks, delivered by their strong hind legs, can be formidable and serve as a deterrent to predators. Additionally, giraffes have a keen sense of sight, allowing them to detect potential threats from a distance. Giraffes are native to the African continent, with their range spanning multiple countries. They are found in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands, where their preferred food sources, acacia and other tree leaves, are abundant. The distribution of giraffes is influenced by the availability of food, water, and suitable habitat. While giraffes are adaptable and can survive in various environments, they are most commonly associated with the open landscapes of sub-Saharan Africa. Some of the countries with significant giraffe populations include Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, Namibia, and South Africa. The habitat of giraffes often overlaps with that of other herbivores, and they coexist with animals such as zebras, elephants, and antelopes. Giraffes are known to migrate within their range in search of food and water, and their movements are influenced by seasonal changes. Giraffes are herbivores with a specialized diet primarily consisting of leaves, flowers, and fruits from acacia trees and other tall vegetation. Their long necks and prehensile tongues, which can be up to 45 centimeters, 18 inches, in length, enable them to reach high branches and strip leaves from thorny trees. Despite their ability to consume a wide variety of plant species, giraffes are selective feeders and often prefer tender leaves. Their tongues are tough and can withstand the thorns on acacia trees, allowing them to access foliage that might be avoided by other herbivores. Giraffes have a unique chewing mechanism. Unlike some other herbivores that have multi-chambered stomachs for extensive microbial fermentation of plant material, giraffes have a simple stomach. However, their stomach is quite large and has 4 compartments, aiding in the breakdown and digestion of fibrous plant material. Giraffes reach sexual maturity at around 4 to 5 years of age. Mating in giraffes is not strictly seasonal, and females can give birth at any time of the year. When a female is in estrus, she emits pheromones that attract males from the surrounding area. The males then engage in competitive behaviors, such as necking, to establish dominance and mating rights. Giraffe gestation typically lasts around 15 months, and a single calf is born, although twins can occur on rare occasion. The female gives birth while standing, and the calf drops to the ground from a height of about 6 feet, 1.8 meters. This abrupt entrance into the world helps stimulate the calf's first breath and is a crucial part of their survival instincts. Newborn giraffes are already around 6 feet tall and weigh approximately 100 to 150 kilograms, 220 to 330 pounds. Despite their size, they are vulnerable to predators during the first few weeks of life. The mother is protective of her calf, and the calf spends much of its early days lying down, gradually gaining strength and coordination before joining the rest of the tower. While giraffes are often considered an iconic symbol of Africa, they face various threats that impact their populations. The primary challenges include habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. As human populations expand and agricultural activities encroach on natural habitats, giraffes are losing their traditional ranges. Poaching for giraffe parts, such as their tails and bones, has also become a concern. Giraffe parts are sometimes used in traditional medicine, and there is a market for giraffe products. Conservation efforts are underway to address these threats and raise awareness about the importance of preserving giraffe populations. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, classifies giraffes into different species and subspecies with varying conservation statuses. While some populations are considered of least concern, others are listed as endangered or vulnerable. The West African giraffe, Giraffe camelopardalis peralta, for example, is listed as endangered, with only a small population remaining in Niger. Conservation initiatives focus on protecting giraffe habitats, addressing poaching, and implementing strategies to mitigate human-wildlife conflict. Collaborative efforts involving local communities, governments, and conservation organizations are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of giraffe populations. Giraffes have captured the imagination of humans throughout history and hold cultural significance in various societies. They are often depicted in art, literature, and folklore, symbolizing grace, elegance, and the beauty of the African wilderness. In many African cultures, giraffes are associated with spirituality and are revered for their unique characteristics. In ancient Egypt, giraffes were exotic animals brought as gifts to the pharaohs. Their long necks and elegant stature made them symbols of prosperity and royalty. Giraffe imagery is also found in rock paintings and carvings in different parts of Africa, reflecting the deep connection between these animals and indigenous cultures. In modern times, giraffes continue to be popular attractions in zoos and wildlife reserves worldwide. Their charismatic presence and distinctive appearance make them favorites among visitors, contributing to conservation awareness and education. The giraffe, with its towering height, long neck, and striking coat pattern, is a remarkable and captivating creature. Its adaptation to a herbivorous diet of high-reaching foliage, coupled with unique social behaviors and reproduction strategies, showcases the evolutionary marvel of this species. However, the giraffe faces significant challenges, including habitat loss, poaching, and conservation concerns. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of giraffe populations in the wild. Addressing habitat fragmentation, mitigating human-wildlife conflict, and combating poaching are essential components of these initiatives. Additionally, raising awareness about the importance of giraffes in ecosystems and their cultural significance contributes to fostering a sense of responsibility for their conservation. As we continue to learn more about giraffes and their complex lives, it is imperative that we strive to protect these iconic creatures and their habitats, preserving the biodiversity of our planet for future generations.